Hello and welcome to my week 4 journal entry. I'm going to be discussing my game and how it plays out during user testing. So here we have my cousin Jason. He's just thrown the dice and moved his little character 4 spaces forward. He landed on a mouse icon and had to pick up a card. The card reads, "Slim, slimy, scaly snake is catching up. Move 2 spaces forward." So he's going to move 2 spaces forward. And he landed on another mouse icon, which means he gets to pick up another card. This card told him to move 6 spaces back. As there weren't 6 squares to move back to, the rules state that he moves back to the start or the first square. It's now the next opponent's turn. He threw a 1. As you can see, he thought that 1 was the block next to the start one, and from that it was suggested to put numbers on the squares so that they know where 1 is. At the end of the round, the snake moved 3 squares. Unfortunately, Jason threw a 2 and the game was over as he landed on the snake. Through the user testing that they did, it was just a few changes were recommended. One was that there weren't so many little mice icons and that they weren't so evenly spaced so that they could be more randomly played, and that the bad cards in the pack were separated from the good cards, and that the bad cards were identified on the board as the snake icon, so that when the mouse lands on that, they have to pick up from a second pack of cards. So these changes are going to be implemented and then discussed in my final report for the assignment. Thanks for listening. Ciao.